I don't know if you can tell, but I've woken up this morning and I am losing my voice. So, yeah. I think it's probably just like being on the go so much, and then like the sun, and there'll be air conditioning and just all of that stuff combined. I woke up this morning and I was like, oh no. So I sort of waited a bit to see how I felt, and I was like, no, we need to like check this out. So we have messaged Amy, who's the bride, whose wedding it is on Friday, to check with her feelings around it. I've got no other like illnesses or symptoms, so I don't think it's anything like COVID or anything to be worried about like that. But even still, was just like, would hate to ruin today for anyone if they're worried about me being a bit of a lurgy man. And I'd also really hate it if if anyone else lost their voice and wasn't able to say I do on Friday. I mean, could you imagine? Thankfully, she has come back and said, yeah, absolutely fine, don't worry about it, no problem. So that's great. So I think there's like 18 of us today, or thereabouts, who are going to be on this boat yacht thingy. So we'll sort of vlog with my voice going as well. Maybe it won't be like so talky, so it might be some subtitles, who knows, but we'll make it work and we're gonna have an amazing day.
We've got fantastic footage of Charlotte from on the boat.
So that is our hotel.
Yeah, I'm restless, so give me something to do. Yeah,
ready?
I can't stay here because I need to.
3,
yeah.
2, 1.
Jump around and show them how I move. Everybody will be on me. Wanna join me?
It's lovely.
Take a shot. I'll be the center of attention, like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight, and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. Someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shotty. I'm gonna find a crowd so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party.
Just imagine that waiting to happen like.
Wow. This.
Yeah, I'm going all night, I don't need Yeah, yeah, I can't wait to hit that bass drop dance. It's all I wanna do right now. Oh, everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot.
Wow.
Take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'll call it shotty. I'm gonna find a crowd so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party. Cause I'm just an accident waiting.
Do you need a wee?
No, I was just. Here's all my life vests. Good to know. And you've got a bathroom. I'm really thinking I could live on a boat, you know. Oh.
All right, Tom Daley.
Every week at this. But
5 minutes to try. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah.
Have you got enough on your face? No, a bit more. This is the far end of Zai Beach. Yesterday when we were driving around, we stopped at the beach bar right up here. You can just see it in the distance, so or not you can, I don't know. This part of the beach is amazing. It's like underdeveloped, probably too far for people to walk from up there. But coming by boat, this is lovely. And apparently the mud clay has good skin properties, so that's why we're all looking like this. They made us be having a laugh at our expense.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
So that is how you do a boat cruise in Kefalonia. I'm really losing my voice right now. Do you have a good time?
Yeah, I did. It was really good, actually. Yeah.
You were getting wild. Such a bad influence.
It's only 4 o'clock in the afternoon now, and I'm right ready for a good party.
I'm ready for bed.